Hi guys, this is Astha Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. Today is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, but for me it's Galentine's Day. Okay, but again, it's not with my girls, but I am taking my mom out today, my mom, to a salon and then Bastion. I know Valentine's is all about love, but it's not always about your boyfriend or your girlfriend. What if you're single? But what if you're not single and you still want to take someone you love? I love my parents, but today it's Mama's Day. So it was just like a random day we were chilling, and I told mom, what are you doing on Friday? It's like today, and she's like, nothing. And I was like, do you want to go out? Do you want to chill? Do you want to get some spa session done? She's like, no, I don't do all of this. I just don't mind lunch, nothing else. She generally doesn't go to the salon. But I was like, why not? Let's just take her out. So we decided this small thing. It's like 10 a.m. right now. We're going to the salon. We're going to have a hair spa and our nails done. And then we're going to go for lunch. That's it. It's a cute little half a day kind of thing with Astha Shah and Madhu Shah. And yes, I will take you around. By the way, I'm wearing like a cute outfit. It's not a cute outfit, but it's like a Valentine's Day low-key outfit. It's not red or pink, but it's like a purplish magenta kind of thing. And mom's also wearing purple. So yeah, see you. That's Meera Shah, guys. She's all ready for Valentine's Day. Are you excited?
Yes,
Are
very
you
much.
excited to do your hair?
Yes, very much.
I've literally not even done my hair. I'm looking so stupid right now. But that's the reason we're gonna go do some hair spa and look like two cute girls. We have reached, guys. It looks quite promising from the outside. Oh ho ho. Ma'am, on photo please. Come here. Starting off with my nails first. I wanted to just refill it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna select a nice color. I kind of like the aesthetics of the salon. It's big. I love the tiles. It's nice. I know this kind of harms your nails and you shouldn't do it often. But the kind of industry we are in, I think you need to constantly have like really good nails because brands always want you to have pretty nails while you're shooting. Decided to do cat eye nails, which looks like this. The purple and the black one you can see. Putting it under the UV light. हाँ अभी चालू हुआ. ये थोड़ा टच हो गया शायद.
चलेगा अभी टॉप कोट में वो कवर हो जाएगा.
I'm done with my nails, guys, and it looks so pretty. It looks absolutely amazing. I love it. Rashmi has done it. Hi, thank you, Rashmi.
Welcome.
Mom is doing manicure, huh?
So relaxing.
But you've never done manicure like this.
No,
No?
never.
You've done at home, where Durga comes and she just does it on the bed.
No, I know. I know. You were telling me can I do this pedicure for you? I said no, no.
Cute Valentine's Day. Stole my Steve Maiden bag and now is enjoying her session.
I said for 2 days, I'm not going to cook for you. I'm going to ask me for anything. So I got all new nails.
She's like she's not coming home and that's your Valentine gift. She's like maza hai.
Yes, yes, totally. Like this. It's so beautiful.
Matchy nails, almost. Why are you constantly posing with your nails?
Because I'm loving them.
Have you ever spent 2-3,000 rupees on manicure?
No, not at all.
How much have you spent generally on a manicure? 300 rupees.
I've never done only.
How cute. How are you liking the Valentine's Day till now?
Very much, very much.
Has dad ever treated you like this?
Not at all. Not even in my dreams.
Instead of a hair spa, I think now we're gonna go for a hair wash and blow dry because we're very hungry. It's 1 a.m. But we both got our nails done. She got manicure done. And now we're gonna go for our hair wash.
Everything is fine.
Yes. Last night I had this entire shoot and I put so much product in my hair that a hair wash was fully required. My hair looks like, I don't know, like as if it's got like an electric shock. I'm not even kidding. It was that bad. There's so much of product, so much of styling. I can't wait for it to be so fresh again. Time for a blow dry. I'm just doing a normal blow dry. How are you feeling, Mom?
Very nice.
Have you done this before, something like this?
Don't disturb me.
It's the first time you've come now like this to a salon.
I know, yeah, but previously also I've done once or twice, but not many times or something.
At least someone is pampering me, unlike you. Happy Valentine's Day. When are you going to pamper me? There is my main Valentine, actual Valentine. After yesterday's shoot, I feel so nice about my hair. My actual hair. I always like this section more bouncy. I did like a new haircut, a butterfly cut 1 month ago, which is very different from me. I always keep my hair fully straight. Guys, this is how my hair looks. It's so pretty. I love it. I think it's a little more bouncy, but I think it's like very nice.
Okay, I'll come to you. I'm going to change my this, you know.
How do you like it, girl?
Very nice. I'm looking so pretty. She made me look so pretty.
Thank you. Thank you. Pampering session is done.
Mommy is ready, all ready.
For what? But
Yeah, she was asking me what kind of blow dry you want. I said, make it normal. I'm not going for any wedding.
after this, you have to go home and cook food for night dinner.
No. No.
जाओ बैठो उधर.
Mad or
जाओ.
what? Yes. Oh, मेरे को
Ask him
पूछ-
if he'll go to दादर.
Sorry है, you go. तो ये कराया क्यों तूने बाल? फर फर से उड़ेंगे.
It's 3 o'clock and she's very hungry.
Yes, I'm starving.
But even my blow dry also they've done nice, no?
Yeah. Yeah, तो वो छोटे बाल, it's looking very nice.
Only when it's blow dried it looks nice. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie house.
Yes.
It's 3 o'clock and we finally reached Bastion. We're so hungry that no one can speak to us right now.
It's so beautiful.
How does it feel?
I'm just loving it.
Looks crazy.
It's just beautiful.
It's such a premium place. What do you want to eat for Valentine's special?
Paneer.
Why did you remove your snacks?
Because you're taking that. He's waiting for you there.
आज cheat day है, थोड़ा कुछ और खा सकते हैं.
एक तो सैलेड मंगा ले.
They have like different Valentine's का drinks like Hi Sweetheart, You're My Butter Half, One Night in Bangkok. कितना भूख लगा है on a span of 1 to 100.
Very hungry.
She got us a fancy drink. Our first dish, our Aaron toast is here. ऐसे नहीं खाते मम्मा, तुमको पूरा ये लेना पड़ेगा.
मुझे पता है. टमेटो खा रहे हो.
अच्छा इसने और काटा है. फाइनली ऐसा लग रहा है जान में जाना है. Mushroom is my favorite. This is like a dumpling with like a soupy kind of thing, and this is mushroom with like cheese and some kind of stuffing. थोड़ा तो पेट भर गया है. इतना खा लिया है 2 जन के बीच में, बट तो भी खाना है. This is some rice and some black bean sauce.
This looks yummy. Asna, if you want to take flats here, you can take.
Lunch is done.
I'm full.
And
I'm very happy
women,
day.
so now she wants to go to West Side.
Yes.
Too much of the day you're spending with me.
So-
Valentine.
So, कभी-कभी हाथ में आती है.
Now some time for shopping and then some time for home.
Yes. No going home.
What no going home? No night dress. I want to go home and sleep now. I'm so full. The food was so good, guys. You need to go to Bastion. It's such a nice place. The food is so amazing. It is expensive, of course, but the place, the ambience, everything is a 10 on 10. It's Valentine's Day, and of course, I'm going to buy something red in color. It's for like 799 rupees. I want to try it. But I bought like 100 jewelries. Mom is not buying anything. I'm only buying everything. खुद तो कुछ बाय नहीं किया, मेरे से बाय करवा दिया 4000 का मॉम. Day comes to an end, ending it on a kali peeli note. We're looking for a cab. Without asking him, you sat in the cab, mom. Anyways, the day comes to an end. How did you like the day, Meera?
Really, it was an awesome day.
Now I'm waiting when you are taking me out for a day.
You want me to take you tomorrow only?
Yeah, let's go to Thailand.
Thailand. Sorry.
Okay, anyway, the day comes to an end. We're tired, going home, sleeping, chilling. And that's about it. This was my Valentine's Day with my mom. If you like the video, please go like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.